Okay, what's up, guys? Let me know if you hear me good. Just need to check my microphone. Give me some feedback about the voice, about the quality of the stream on the chat, and we can go ahead. I'm apologize, I'm a bit later today, but we are on the right path, so all good. I don't know if chat is working because last time also uh, chat was empty. Yes, perfect. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Richard. Welcome on the stream. Okay, today Tuesday, we have durable goods orders in the USA at the market open, but that was low impact, maybe a medium impact. More impactful was the news by the Trump. Yeah, that's man, that's a huge statement. I believe someone should check his sanity because that man is going crazy. Tweet like that, it's not a game. It's a serious situation, war, and his tweets. He's probably the most powerful man on the planet, and tweets like that, yeah, it should never happen. It should never happen. Oh, gold. Let's back to gold soon. Check. I gonna check the calendar very quick for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have FOMC meetings, and tomorrow I can do a stream maybe later for the FOMC. We have also a stream at 5 p.m. But I'm trying to do two sessions tomorrow. Or wait, or one session tomorrow, maybe for the FOMC later, because FOMC is 3 hour after our regular stream time. We have this stream at 5 p.m. So I'm gonna do it for the FOMC at 8, maybe. And that second stream I'm gonna do at Friday for the CPI. That will be cool. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 4 days of streaming because last week I was not able to do the session, so we need to do more now. Okay, that was the comment about the Trump. Come on. Uh, calendar and yeah, and let's go to the chart. That's the structure maybe. The EMA 20 can be rejection, can be resistant. The EMA 20. After touch EMA 20, they print a red candle, bearish candle. But overall, I'm still bullish on gold. We bounce out of our weekly zone, if you remember it. That was our weekly zone for the reversal. I talked about it several times last weeks, so let's skip it and focus on what we have now. 4 hour, we sweep the bearish range. I'm gonna break down more more about the fib levels and fib range today on today's session, because one of you guys sent me a private message how to use fibs correct. So we're gonna talk about fibs more today. We sweep the bearish range. Bearish range was there. Go up. I send the arrows. Come on. Yeah, that arrow. I set that arrow on last Tuesday. At Wednesday, they sweep the range, do a pullback, and trying to continue upside. Let's see if they have power to continue, because Trump want to put it lower, I believe. And we have a setup from we have a setup from 13 March, right? That was also Tuesday. It's still running. Maybe you should manage that idea if you're still holding it, because I don't know what happened here. Trump is unpredictable. That guy is crazy. And yesterday I sent the idea. Depends on the um, fixed volume range. We have the point of control inside that box. They hit the box during the Asia on Tokyo, exactly like we said on the Discord. Also, Robert and Chris sent the same idea earlier than me. I'm totally agree with you guys with that idea. I sent it out on trade idea analysis also. We hit the zone and do a break of structure on the 1 hour. Looking good for continuation, but something failed. Probably something in USA. They back to our zone once again. Sweep the equal lows and bounce up once again. So we'll see. It's hard to predict. Break of structure on 5 minute. Pull back to the imbalance for potential continuation. If it's going to stick bullish, they should just run. If we're going to take out this low, I need to reanalyze my chart and maybe put a different zone for bullish, or maybe we flip bearish, I don't know. But that low should be stay untaken. Yeah, break of structure on the 5 minute, because that green candle closed above last lower high. Pull back to the imbalance candle, fill the imbalance, and trying to push up, but rejected. I believe maybe only for the pullback, small pullback, and it's gonna continue. I see a lot of you playing that idea from me, from Robert and Chris. Yeah, Timmy. Timmy is a goat. Classic signal. Classic signal from every group. Manu. I don't get it. Oh, I sent. Okay, that was my bad. I don't get it. Sorry. I sent the heart emoji, but yeah, cool. Jack, cool, cool. Good job. Yeah, Chris sent also the same on that zone still active. That was close to take out. It's low. I'm still holding it, and as I said, it should push up. Like I said a few minutes ago, we do a liquidity sweep of those lows. We do a break of structure here. They feel the imbalance after the breakout move, and now they should find a way to go up. If we sweep this low, if they push below it, I need to reanalyze, and I will be not that confident with holding the setup. Maximum stop loss is where I got mine, and here below this low. Okay, I'm deleted. I'm also deleted. It would be nice if that was also the idea from the Tuesday. Big swing. Also manage it. If someone holding, I can't believe you're still holding it, but if someone holding, manage that idea. Okay, I find a clean chart so I can explain you the fib levels, fib range, but before we go there, let me know if everything is clean from what happened here. I see the why I see the continuation, and yeah, and let me know if everything is clean with this stop loss. I put mine below the structure here, and now it's still holding. That should be the maximum stop loss. Richard, thank you. Yeah, no problem. We're going soon for that fib levels. Chuvakito, I'm working, so I'm jumping on and off into this live. Yeah, Chuvakito, you are welcome. Welcome, brother. Robert is here. Welcome, Robert. Welcome, Timmy. Gold is back. Timmy back. Philip is here. Let's go. And Richard. Nice. Yes, I understand. Thanks you. Okay. So we can go ahead. Unfortunately, I'm not in the trade. If you if you don't like it, maybe you don't need to trade. It's more like a risky setup. I can call it a risky setup because we touch the zone one, two, three, four, 5 times and still struggling here. So we'll see how it goes. There is a range. If you are not in the trade and if you not feel confident, you can wait for breakout here, for breakout this resistance. Because then maybe they break it out, do a pullback, maybe bigger one, or something like a slight pullback and continuation upside. I'm trying to catch it from the bottom, so I'm not trying to catch it. I'm still in the position. That was close to took me out. Now I'm in the profit. I had a pending for the Tokyo, like I said yesterday. I do like it, just miss entry. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes it's like that. We are busy. Even if you set the alert and you are busy, you can miss the entry. When price is close to the entry, you can play also the pending order. I'm using pending order for the night, for the Tokyo. I'm living in the Poland in Central European time. So during the Tokyo, I'm usually sleep. Yeah, that's why I'm putting a pending order for the night. But today, that was also pre-London entry. That was pre-New York, and after NYSE open. One, two, three, four entries, and and that can be a fifth entry, because break of structure here. When they do a break of structure, you can expect the pullback, and where you can expect the pullback. Pullback you expected is with fib level. No liquidity, it's break of structure. After the break of structure, you can put the fibs from uh, from the low to the high. That's your range. My favorite is 61 to 78. But you can see, and that's your range. And what do you have inside the range? Maybe you have some liquidity, maybe you have some imbalance. That's your main zone, but you always look at the left. And what do you have here? You have the imbalance, right? You have the big imbalance candle. So maybe this is your zone inside the imbalance. You know, if you have the liquidity, let's say maybe here, waiting for the sweep the liquidity and then print the entry model. Oh no, no. Yeah, you see, you had the liquidity here. That was very high, of course. Maybe you don't need to look at it. It's not a good example. Yeah, but after the break of structure, you can always look at inside the range because that's break of structure building range for you. That's the destination, 61 to 78. And you're always looking at the left if you have some imbalances. What do you have on the left? If this zone is confirmed not only by the fib level, but maybe by the liquidity also, by the fair value gaps, maybe mm, by the fixed volume range. Fixed volume range also is putting from low to the high. You see point of control here and big volume. Yeah, they miss it by a pips, but everything was inside the 61 to 78. So your confirmation for that zone is fixed volume range. Confirm your 61 to 78. Also zero imbalance. I believe there is a zero imbalance. Yeah, there is a lot of zeros. All that move is imbalance move with zero, no orders. So you have double confirmation for the zone. And how to put your fib correct? I want to leave it. Where is the paper? Yeah, paper some. Ah, okay. I had the paper some. Wait, what happened? What happened? Never mind. I missed the entry. Same here, usually asleep. living in the UK, yeah. So we have a similar time. You are 1 hour difference. Excellent. I have take notes on the fib and volume range. I will rewatch this to learn. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. It's good to rewatch it because yeah, I'm going to explain it. Okay, so let's take the 4 hour structure. Maybe I'm going to use the line chart. Yeah, it will be more clean or not, or not. Let's do it with normal candles. Okay. Higher high, break of structure here, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can it be? Oh, that was consolidation. To be honest, that was the structure. So there is lower high, lower low. Market create higher low, but not higher high. When you have a downtrend and the market build lower low, you put your fibs from the lower high to lower low. That's your fib. Also for buys, it can be. Oh, come on. I need to find a good example. Okay, that was the higher low and going for the higher high. So it's gonna be a range. From the closest low to the closest high. And that's for the bearish. That's your range, top of the range and the bottom of the range. In the downtrend, when you put your bearish fib, the zone you interested the most is 61 to 78, and you need to spot something inside that zone. Maybe there is some imbalance, maybe there is some liquidity. You know, I like to confirm my zone also, but other thing, not only hey, this is the 61 to 78. It must play. It must play. No, I'm always confirm that zone but what I have on the left. If I have the imbalance, if I have the volume, and things like that. For me, that higher low is still not the break of structure here. Yeah, it's break of structure for the internal, because inside that range we have a break of structure. Inside that range we have break of structure here. You see that high is higher than this high, but external range, still talking to you, we are in bear side. All of building inside this range is the counter trend, is treated as a counter trend. until we sweep it, like here. They exit the bearish range, so waiting for the pullback and continuation. After they exit the range, you can put your fib. For 4 hour, you can put it like that. And if we're not holding here, that will be next zone below this liquidity here. But don't worry about it. I know I'm looking for bullish move inside, but we're looking for bullish move because we hit into weekly reversal zone. But if there is nothing, let's say we don't have any zone here and we are just going down and down, I will play sells from 61 to 78. I send it on the Discord and I'm talking to you. We are in the bearish range, but we hit the bullish reversal zone. So for the bigger picture, for me, it's for move up. We sweep the bearish range. We do some pullback. Yeah, maybe it's going for deeper one. We shall see tomorrow or later in the week. But if there is nothing for the reversal, it should be bearish setups only out of 61 to 78. I'm record in the future. I'm record more video about the range and fib levels because I need to prepare for it to not miss anything what I'm talking to you. I need to prepare good examples on the chart, clean clean structure who's repeating because now you know I need to scrolling and looking for it. I need to prepare the video for the fib levels. It's very important for the market. So normally, if there is not normally if there is not a reversal zone, I will just looking for lower low out of this box. And I will looking for sells until the market print above that high. Because uh, okay, how to okay. When market create a structure, a trend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. You see what I mean? All inside this range from high to low, all inside it is a counter trend. valid, the valid bullish fib level from it will be if we just bounce from the lower low to higher high. And then you have bullish range. When the market bounce from lower low to higher high. When market do something like that, this is the counter trend. For potential break of structure to the downside and continuation falling down. So this is still bearish structure, and this is bullish structure from the lower low to higher high. They sweep the range, looking for pullback and continuation. You know what I mean? The range and the range. Uh, yeah, let me know if this is clean. Like I said, I need to prepare the videos for it to make a better explanation about the FIP and find good examples on the chart. So yeah, I'm gonna record the video about it in the future, maybe in the near future. So this is still bearish, even if they print higher highs and higher lows, but all of this happen inside the bearish range. See bearish range holding it. All of it happen inside the lower high to lower low. And here they just print the BOS, what we call the BOS. So from lower low to higher high, that create a new structure, bullish structure. I'm sorry, that create a new range, bullish range for possible continuation to the upside. I'm understanding and also look forward to your future recordings on FIP, please. Much appreciated. Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna do recordings about the FIPs. I'm gonna do the recording about the fixed range volume profile, um, about the market structure. So what is the counter trend? What is the break of structure? I'm gonna do a video about the trap candles, liquidity, yeah, and zero imbalance. Tokyo can be crazy because let me check time in the USA. Uh, okay, it's 12 p.m. and Trump said tonight. So let's say 12 hours. Okay, so pre-London, our eyes on pre-London. It can be very volatility pre-London. I believe he just shit talking like always, uh, but he can tweet another post. He can share another tweets. So our eyes on his keyboard. I can't believe that's true, but when the most powerful person talking things like that, yeah, people just gonna think about his sanity. When it's going like that for sweep the range. When they sweep the range, bearish range, you flip your fib for bull side. Uh, yes, perfect. That will be awesome. Cut. Evan just posted your comment on him in chat. What? I'm. Oh, they kick me. They kick me. Come on. Okay, I don't care. I'm not following his. I'm not following his Discord since 1 year when we create gold miners. When we create gold miners, I'm just stop following him. So for me, it's something like I don't care. Yeah, I'm use maybe sharp words for comment that situation, but a lot of my friends still using his Discord, and for me he lose how to say that I need to translate. Sorry. Credibility. Okay, he lose his credibility from his students. Yeah, yeah. So I believe we have a rat on our Discord also. because Evan wasn't here. So someone from our Discord share it to him. Please, if that was you and you hear what I'm talking, just leave our Discord. I don't want to teach the rats. So I believe you take your ass and don't make me mad any. Yeah, never again. Okay, I won't comment it again. That's uh, that's all. That's all from my side. I had come on. I had the look at this. That was my notification from his Discord. I'm not using it since 1 year. So so why I should care of it? I'm just commented because a lot of my friends using his Discord and they are just disappointment because when you talk to people lifetime and then you fuck them up, you are cooked, man. You are cooked. Yeah. What is this? Come on. Okay, so let me know if there is some question because I believe we make a storm. What what's going on? We need to teach even some fifths. Come on. Yeah, yeah, he's spamming me. He's spamming me. I'm maybe in Poland we have something like a fame MMA. Maybe he take me to the cage. Come on, come on. I won't comment it. I won't comment it again. Just say it. I love a lot of my friends are disappointment. So and I know a lot of people from our Discord was there. So yeah, I'm talking with you guys on private message. And okay, if there is no question, we are about to finish. 1 hour is gone. So we see tomorrow. Tomorrow we see at Wednesday. Yeah, we tomorrow we see at FOMC. So no stream at 5 p.m. We just see at the FOMC around the 8th, and then we have at Friday extra session for the CPI because, like I said last week, I was not able to do the session because I was sick. and my voice was very bad. On Tuesday, I mute myself to coach. So yeah, we do a bonus session on Friday. Okay, so thank you guys for being here with me today. Robert say everything is clean. So take care of you. Be careful pre-London because Trump, yeah, Trump say tonight. So we need to watch his tweets and we'll see what happened pre-London, pre-London and during London. I can't believe, yeah, he's bombed the world or something like that, but he will post something and we need to watch it because it can manipulate the market and influence it. Okay, if this is clean, uh, have a great rest of the day and see you tomorrow. Bye.